Top 10 Smallest Planets in Universe. These planets will blow your mind. Let's reveal the top 10 smallest planets and smash that subscribe button. At top 10 to Pluto, once the ninth planet and now the most famous dwarf planet. Discovered in 1930, Pluto's small size, smaller than Earth's moon, sparked decades of debate. As astronomers found more Kuiper Belt objects, Pluto's uniqueness faded. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined what it means to be a planet, and Pluto didn't make the cut. It hadn't cleared its orbit. The decision was controversial, but Pluto's story didn't end there. NASA's New Horizons flyby in 2015 revealed a world of nitrogen ice plains, water ice mountains, a thin atmosphere, and possible subsurface ocean. Pluto even has 5 moons. Charon is so large they're often called a binary system. Pluto may be small, but it's geologically active and complex, a true king of the Kuiper Belt. Its reclassification opened our eyes to a whole new realm of icy worlds. Pluto proves that size isn't everything in the cosmos. Let's see who's next on our list. Top 9 to Eris, the world that forced astronomers to rethink what a planet is. Discovered in 2005, Eris was thought to be larger than Pluto, igniting headlines about a 10th planet. Its discovery led directly to Pluto's demotion and the creation of the dwarf planet category. Eris orbits far beyond Pluto, taking 557 years to circle the Sun. It's nearly Pluto's twin in size, but 27% more massive, hinting at a rockier composition. Eris has a moon, Dysnomia, which helped astronomers measure its mass. This troublemaker revealed the Kuiper Belt as a crowded, dynamic region full of icy worlds. Eris changed our map of the solar system forever. Top 8 is Haumea, the solar system's strangest shapeshifter. Haumea spins so fast, a day lasts just 3.9 hours, that it's stretched into an elongated rugby ball shape. Its rapid rotation likely resulted from a massive ancient collision, which also created a family of icy fragments orbiting nearby. Haumea's longest axis rivals Pluto's diameter, but it's much flatter. It has 2 moons and, uniquely, a ring, the first discovered around a dwarf planet. Haumea's odd shape and family of fragments make it a cosmic crime scene frozen in time. Even among small worlds, Haumea stands out for its speed, violence, and mystery. The Kuiper Belt is full of surprises. Top 7. The Rapa Nui Creator God is the 3rd largest known dwarf planet. Discovered in 2005, it's a bright, icy world, second only to Pluto in Kuiper Belt brightness. Its surface is covered in frozen methane and nitrogen, giving it a high reflectivity. Unlike Pluto, Makemake has no significant atmosphere, as revealed by a stellar occultation in 2011. In 2015, astronomers discovered a tiny dark moon orbiting Makemake, allowing for more precise measurements. Makemake is a pristine example of a Kuiper Belt object. Cold, bright, and simple. It helps us understand the building blocks of the outer solar system. Sometimes, the simplest worlds tell the clearest stories. Top 6. We head to the asteroid belt and meet Ceres, the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. Discovered in 1801, Ceres was first called a planet, then an asteroid, and finally a dwarf planet in 2006. At 940 kilometers across, it's the smallest dwarf planet but the largest object in the asteroid belt. Ceres is round, layered, and may contain up to 25% water, making it a key target in the search for life. NASA's Dawn mission revealed bright, salty spots on its surface, likely from briny water bubbling up from below. These features suggest Ceres is or was geologically active. Ceres is a planetary embryo, a window into the solar system's early days. Its water and chemistry make it a prime candidate for astrobiology. Even the smallest worlds can hold big secrets. Top 5. We reach Mercury, the smallest of the 8 classical planets. Mercury is just slightly larger than our moon, but it's incredibly dense, with a massive iron core. Its proximity to the Sun means wild temperature swings, scorching days, freezing nights. Mercury's surface is ancient and cratered, but NASA's MESSENGER mission found evidence of past volcanism and shrinking cliffs. Astonishingly, water ice exists in permanently shadowed polar craters. Mercury may be a stripped-down remnant of a larger planet, its outer layers lost to a giant impact. Despite its size, Mercury is a world of extremes and surprises. It's a tiny planet with a giant story. Let's move outward to the next small world. Top 4. Mars, the red planet. May loom large in our imagination, but it's the second smallest planet in the solar system. Its surface area is similar to Earth's land, but its volume is just 15% of Earth's. Mars has a thin CO2-rich atmosphere, polar ice caps, and epic dust storms. Its surface tells a tale of two hemispheres, ancient cratered highlands and younger, smoother lowlands. Evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and minerals points to a wetter, warmer past. Robotic explorers search for signs of past life and clues to Mars's lost habitability. From Olympus Mons to Valles Marineris, Mars is a world of extremes. Understanding why Mars died helps us appreciate why Earth thrives. Mars is a critical piece in the puzzle of planetary evolution. Top 3. Venus is Earth's twin in size, but a hellish opposite in every other way. Its thick, toxic CO2 atmosphere creates crushing pressure and a runaway greenhouse effect, hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. Surface temperatures melt lead, and Soviet landers survived only hours before being destroyed. Venus spins backward and slowly. A day is longer than its year. Its bizarre rotation and extreme climate make it one of the most mysterious planets. Recent hints of active volcanism and possible cloud-borne life keep scientists intrigued. Venus shows how two similar worlds can take radically different paths. It's a cautionary tale of planetary evolution gone wrong. Earth and Venus started alike, but their destinies diverged. Venus is a warning and a wonder. Top 2. Earth may be the largest rocky planet in our solar system, but when we zoom out to the scale of the universe, it's still just a small world. Our home is a mere speck, floating in the vast cosmic ocean, dwarfed by the giants of our solar system and the countless worlds beyond. What truly sets Earth apart isn't its size, but its remarkable ability to support life. Here, liquid water flows across continents and fills deep oceans. Plate tectonics constantly reshape the land, recycling nutrients and building mountains. A protective atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation, while a powerful magnetic field deflects the solar wind, preserving our air and water. Our planet is geologically alive, with continents drifting slowly over millions of years. Volcanoes erupt, shaping the surface and releasing gases that help sustain our atmosphere. Earth's restless geology is a key ingredient in its ability to nurture life. Earth's atmosphere, rich in oxygen, is a product of life itself. Over billions of years, tiny organisms transformed the air, paving the way for complex life to thrive. The swirling clouds and blue skies we see from space are signs of a living, breathing world. From the edge of our solar system, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, a fragile oasis suspended in a sunbeam, surrounded by the infinite darkness of space. This iconic image, captured by Voyager 1, reminds us of our planet's vulnerability and uniqueness. Every city, every civilization, every moment in human history has unfolded on this tiny stage. The glowing lights of our cities, visible from orbit, are a testament to our presence and ingenuity, but also to our dependence on this one world. Earth is our benchmark for habitability and complexity. When we search for life elsewhere, we look for worlds with water, energy, and the right chemistry, just like our own. The diversity of life here, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, is unmatched in our solar system. Its modest size hides extraordinary character. Earth is a world of contrasts, oceans and deserts, forests and ice caps, teeming cities and untouched wilderness. It is a planet of endless wonder, shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. As we gaze back at our world from space, we are reminded of our responsibility. This is the only home we've ever known. To understand and protect this unique world is not just a scientific challenge, but a moral one. The pale blue dot is fragile, precious, and irreplaceable. Our future depends on how we care for this planet. Every action we take, every choice we make, shapes the legacy we leave for generations to come. The story of Earth is still being written, and we are its authors. In the grand expanse of the universe, Earth may be small, but it is everything to us. The pale blue dot is a symbol of hope, unity, and the endless possibilities that await us, if we choose to cherish and protect our only home. Top 1, we leap to Neptune, the smallest of the gas giants, but still immense. With a diameter over 49,000 kilometers, Neptune could swallow nearly 60 Earths. It's an ice giant, rich in water, ammonia, and methane, which gives it a deep blue hue. Neptune is the windiest planet, with storms and winds faster than the speed of sound. Its discovery was a triumph of mathematics, predicted before it was seen. Neptune's faint rings and 14 moons, including the retrograde orbiting Triton, add to its intrigue. Voyager 2 revealed a dynamic, stormy world at the solar system's edge. Neptune reminds us that even the smallest giants are full of wonders. It marks the end of our journey through the solar system's little big worlds. Let's wrap up our cosmic tour. Let's quickly. Our tour of the solar system's small worlds is complete. From icy Pluto to stormy Neptune, each world tells a unique story, proving that size isn't the most interesting thing about a planet. These diverse worlds are the building blocks and survivors of our solar system's history. Subscribe to Master Space.